Different selection statements are simple if, else if, nested if and switch statement. We have already discussed the simple if statement and else if statement. Today we are going through the nested if and switch statement. Then nested if. In nested if, it's able to check more than one condition. Using this nested if, we can check more than one conditions. So this is the syntax for nested if. First, if condition 1, then statement 1. In condition 1, you can write more than one statement also. If you are writing more than one statement, then you should have to put that curly bracket. Here, we are writing only one statement. That's why here we are not putting that curly bracket. After that, else if condition 2, statement 2, etc. Else if condition n, then statement n, else default statement. Means first the condition 1 is checking. If that condition 1 is true, statement 1 is to be executed. Okay, if this condition 1 is true, statement 1 is to be executed. If that condition is false, this condition 1 is false, then it will check the second condition. See, else if condition 2. If condition 1 is false, then condition 2 will check. If that condition 2 is true, then statement 2 is to be executed. Okay. Then condition 2 is false means condition 3 will check. Like that it will continue. Then see finally this else condition. In else condition default statement. That is this default statement is executing when all these conditions are false. If all these conditions are false, then this default statement will execute or else part will execute. This is the syntax for nested if statement. Consider one example. See, if mark greater than or equal to 80, cout distinction, else if. Between this else and if there is one space, and also if, else, everything it should be in small letter. Second condition is mark greater than or equal to 60. This condition true means it's first class. False means it will check the next condition. Okay. Then we can consider one program. Write a program to find the grade of a student. Conditions given is mark 80 to 100 is distinction, 60 to 80 is first class, 50 to 60 is pass, below 50 is failed. Then write that program. Comment program to find the grade of a student. Void main, here input is mark. Enter the mark. Then first condition, if mark in, what is the condition for distinction? Mark greater than or equal to 80 and less than or equal to 100. That is between 80 and 100 is checking like this. See, mark greater than or equal to 80 and then this 2 and symbol, and then mark less than or equal to 100. There should be 2 and symbol. Then cout distinction. This is the condition for distinction. Next condition 60 to 80. Already we have checked this 80 to 100. So next condition, if mark greater than or equal to 60. That means it will be in between 80 and 60. So else if mark greater than or equal to 60 means first class. Again condition, else if mark greater than or equal to 50 means pass. Else failed. That is this failed, cout fail is to be executed when all of these conditions are wrong. That is, this is the default statement or else part. Else part is to be executed when all of these conditions are wrong. First condition is mark greater than or equal to 80 and mark less than or equal to 100. Then if mark greater than or equal to 60, first class. Else if mark greater than or equal to 50 means pass. Last condition failed. This is nested if statement. This is a selection statement. Nested if is a selection statement. In nested if, we can able to check more than one condition. Next one, switch statement. Switch statement and else if statement is almost same purpose for these two statements. In switch statement also we are able to check more than one condition. See, this is the syntax for the switch statement. Switch expression, then bracket, case label 1, statement 1, then break, case label 2, statement 2, break, etc. Case label n, statement n, break, default statement, break. After that, need to close this bracket. Means, if this expression is equal to label 1, that is the first condition. If this expression is equal to label 1, which statement is it to be executed? Statement 1 is to be executed. Then if this expression is equal to label 2, statement 2 is to be executed. Then expression is equal to label n, statement n is to be executed. Okay. Instead of writing else if, we can write like this case. With a case we can write this switch statement. Okay. You can consider one example. That is, if all of these conditions are wrong, then this default statement will execute. What is the use of this break statement? Break statement is used to exit from this loop or exit from this block. This break statement is used to exit from this switch block. That is, if this expression is equal to label 1, statement 1 is to be executed. After that, break means after this statement 1, it will exit from this switch statement. It will execute the statement after the switch statement. Okay, that is the use of this break statement in switch. Can consider one program to print the day of a week depending on the day number. What's the meaning of this program? That is, if you are giving day number means if you are giving how many days in a week? 7 days. That is, if you are giving 1, you should have to print Sunday. 2 means Monday, 3 Tuesday, 4 Wednesday, 5 Thursday, 6 Friday and 7 Saturday. If you are giving some other number, you should have to print it's an invalid day. That is the program. Then how to print that one? Using else if statement also we can do this program. Instead of else if, here we are using the switch statement. See, hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h. Here which is the input? Day number is the input. Day number is the input. Okay. Then switch. Here expression is day number. Here we are giving expression as day number. After the switch statement, there will be one curly bracket. After that, case. This switch, case and all should be write in small letter. Case, then one space, then label 1. Here label 1 is 1. Okay, it is an integer number. This see, what is the data type of this day number? integer. So the case value should be an integer value. If you are giving this day number as a character, then you have to give this label 1 as character. That is, what will be the data type of this expression? That will be the data type of this label also. Here 1 is an integer, day number is also an integer. 2 is also integer, day number is also an integer. Then case 1, cout Sunday means if this day number is equal to 1, it will print Sunday. Then break. Break means it is exiting from the switch statement, and which is the statement to be executed next? Get. After that it should execute the get statement and close the program. Okay. Same like that, if the day number is equal to 2, print Monday. Day number is equal to 2, cout Monday, then break. Break means break is used to exit from the switch statement. Okay. That is, here 3 means Tuesday, 4 means Wednesday, 6 Friday, like that it will exit. Then default cout invalid day number. That is, if you are giving some other number, it will print the invalid day number. See, in this example, here we are giving the day number, we are inputting the number 6. Then it will come here like this, switch of 6 means here that expression is 6. That the day number is equal to 6. It won't execute these statements and will come directly to here. That is cout Friday. It will print Friday, then the break statement. That is next statement. It will exit from the switch statement and it will execute the get statement, then exit from the program. Then suppose if you are giving the number 12. 12 means that is the day number is equal to 12. It is not equal to 1. It is not equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is not equal to all these labels. So, it will execute the default statement. Okay. Default case. Default colon. Then cout invalid day number. It will print the invalid day number. Here one semicolon is also there. I forgot to put that. Then break. Okay. Then after this case, there should be one space. In between case and label, there should be one space. After that, colon. Okay. This is the switch statement. Syntax is this one. Switch expression, then curly bracket, case label 1, statement 1, break, case label 2, statement 2, break, etc. Case label n, statement n, break, default statement, break. That is, the purpose of switch and else if is almost same. In switch also we are checking more than one condition, and also in nested if also we are checking more than one conditions.